Welcome to Alaska Factory Insider. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are built, step by step. The surface finish on this batch looks good.
Yes, but the specs on the datasheet for the battery cells are inconsistent with the last shipment.
At Alaska Factory Insider, we carefully shape every component for consistent quality. Every Tesla is carefully refined and inspected during assembly.
Look right here, there's a small imperfection.
Ah, I see it. I'll take care of it.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes, that's perfect now.
Yep.
Gap tolerance on the door looks good.
Confirmed. The leather stitching here is flawless too.
Alaska Factory Insider ensures every Tesla meets our highest standards.
Check the manifest for 305.
Looks good. The details match the hard copy.
All right, I'll file this away then.
And that's how Tesla cars are built, start to finish, at Alaska Factory Insider.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours.